It looks like the 90s street scene was all about JDM cars, or at least that's what Hot Wheels is trying to tell us with this silver set. Number 1 is the Nissan 180 SX Type X in black and white color combo, and this is the turbocharged sport version produced until 1998. Very nice casting with a few cool releases in the mainlines and premium series, and we have seen it on this channel before, in the last year's Fast and Furious set, the blue variation. Last year has also been a super treasure hunt, one that I am missing so far. I didn't find it in the stores, and online the shortcut version goes for about $100. The details are there, the colors work, cast 5-spokes wheels look good, same goes for the colors and interior. It has a history in our culture and now it builds more, as a diecast for Hot Wheels collectors. The case we unboxed today has 24 cars inside, or at least that's what it says on the box, but in other parts of the world this might be different. Number 2 is the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution, one of the longest running sports sedan model from Mitsubishi. The 6th generation came with some improvements on the engine and cooling system. This is the first basic release, with all other premium releases being very good, with the most interesting one probably being the Forza Horizon in the Entertainment series in 2022. It's looking great, details are nice, wheels and yellow paint goes well on it. Probably a premium variation of this combo would be interesting. The 90s were a great era, the set is looking great, but I would have probably given this series a different name. This set is a 2024 release, and you know, especially if you have watched case unboxing videos on my channel, that it was a JDM year, but for 2025 things might get a bit different. Number 3 is the Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo with a story similar to number 1. Releases in the basics and premium sets, a super treasure hunt, and seen on this channel before in the Run and Run, a 2022 car culture set. Looks great in green, cool details like that different colored hood, star 5-spokes rims, and black interior. The artwork on the card is nice, although it's the same on all of them, while on the back we can see the full set and information in different international languages. It definitely has some interesting variations, most of them in stock colors, and I'm sure we're going to see it in other future releases. We usually don't get new models in the silver series, so it's not something we should expect, but we might get transitions from premium sets. Number 4 is the Toyota Celica GT4 as a premiere in a basic set, one that, in my opinion, looks more interesting on the card artwork than it is as the casting itself. We have seen it on this channel before in videos like the Mountain Drifters in 2022 and Boulevard 2023 Mix 5 case unboxings. We have details just like on all others, black interior, spoiler in the back and even mirrors, so it's not bad, definitely not bad, but the other variations are way more interesting. It's fun to see what Hot Wheels designers can bring with new variations, and we know they're not all positive, but in the end it's variety, something that each collector can choose and enjoy. As I said in the beginning of the video, the case should have 24 cars inside. Well, if you have paid attention, the numbers don't add up, so I'm not sure what happened here as the case was sealed. Number 5 is the Honda Civic EG, a compact hatchback designed with a sunroof depicting the 5th generation of the Civic. It looks great on the details department, liveries, colors, the same star 5-spokes wheels as the Nissan ZX, and even mirrors. It has been part of premium series and basics, but the most interesting versions are the ones from premium sets, especially the modern classics in 2020 with the Hello Kitty theme, and the last year's Collectors Convention, Diecast Expo from Malaysia, Singapore and Indonesia, produced in limited quantities. For me, it's hard to pick a favorite or a highlight, as I believe all of them are good, but your opinion might be different and you can always share it on YouTube with other collectors by leaving a comment. Happy New Year! I hope you have the best year ahead, good luck finding all the Hot Wheels cars you search for, thank you for watching, and let's meet again on my next video.